A lot of you have been with us for months, years, even longer, so we'd like to welcome everybody. The Shindig technology is something we've been using for a few months. It's very, very innovative, and I love tech. In the world of day trading, I go back pretty far, 10 years plus. I'd look at automotive stocks. Growing up in Michigan, I'd look at Ford, I'd look at GM, et cetera, et cetera. I would look at all these tickers, and I always had this interest in finance.
When you're scanning pre-market, how do you determine the volume you should be?
You want to avoid stocks that are just spiking on low volume. So NASDAQ and NYSE stocks start trading at 4 a.m. But I don't even consider trading a stock if it hasn't traded 5,000 shares by 7 a.m. Let me share my screen real quick. The future doesn't repeat, but it rhymes in stocks, okay? I think that's a Mark Twain quote, but notice how this spike or stock just has spiked huge, died, spiked huge, died. I don't know about you, but any tomato I buy these days, these hydroponic tomatoes are terrible. They're making an extended shelf life tomato. So anytime I see this stock gap up $3 a share, it is a short because of the prior price action. Love the questions. So Dave, let me bring you on.
You set a stop limit, let's say here at 24, and news comes out and that gaps down to 20. Does that pass your limit?
You can have a stop limit in, and when these stocks drop hard, remember, you might not get filled. So, I mean, and I've been there where you have a stop limit in and you're like, oh, okay, I'm safe. But if like really bad news comes out, it may blow through your stop and you might still be in it and down big. So one more question from Nikolai, and then we'll wrap it up.
When you're on StocksToTrade and you're looking at your watch list of biggest percent gainers in pre-markets and you see these stocks up 20, 30, 40%, how do you know if it'll gap up by like $3 and it'll actually hold? Is it totally on the past charts?
Remember, we talk about bag holders. We make fun of bag holders a lot. When you've got a chart that is just straight up and straight down, any spike, people are going to sell. Man, this was fun. I hope you guys could tell my enthusiasm. Man, I love this stuff. There is unlimited opportunity out there, and StocksToTrade is the best way to spot it. So thanks again, everyone. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.